Hi guys, and you're probably like, why are you showing us this again? It's actually Sketch. So all the bruises on her and stuff, I did in Sketch. So it really helps with like that stuff, like if you need to take a screenshot real quick while you're recording a video, but that would be stupid, and make like some of a character got hurt, like bloody. I'll show you. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. So I make way too many. Yeah, I got a problem. Anyway, this is not really a good account, but if you want to follow me on WeirdBoy21, I guess you could, because I don't really care. But I'm sign out real quick and show you the actual Galaxy Tape account, if it's on here. Oh, yay! So, this one, I literally just did this a couple hours ago. Ow. See, like, you can add more hair graphics and fight scenes, I guess, with blood, and make the character's hair more shiny. Like, look at that forehead blood. Like, look at that. I think I did a good job on this one, but yeah. So I'm just gonna show you guys what Sketch is like, and I did this. This is the first one I did with the hair graphics, like all that hair graphics with just the darker color of it, which is stupid saying, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, so this one is Galaxy Girl, or the actual Gmail account is galacapup _ numbers, and yeah, so you can I'm not sponsored by this, I just want to show you guys. So you can do collaborations with someone else's artwork and make it your own version, like this one, which is mine. I think I did a good job. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys it's a really cool app, and you can actually text people on it, messages. Oh, if you're on the team, I'm on the 90s team for some reason. Yeah, but the plus sign, I don't know what that does. I never checked it out. This video is way longer. You can actually find the user. Okay. Okay, I spelled it wrong. So that's how you find the user in Sketch. So, yeah. That's really it. Oh, I remember this. If you remember those two on my channel, I don't think you guys do. I just think they're random characters I made. But if you do, if they're from something, please remind me, because I don't. I need to look back at videos. I really do. I think it was from like a different channel at the time. Yeah, so the only original sketch that I actually drawed was this one. And this. And this. Those are the only sketches that I originally drawed. I think there's some more, but yeah, I actually did that for some reason. Anyway, this video is becoming super long, but I just wanted to really show you guys so like you can make your own artwork, and like for videos and stuff, like if you need to make, I don't know, some random stuff like this, like you're making a video like, oh, I want to add an epic blood scene where there's someone who tried to kill a girl, and then the boy that they're fighting for just comes in and saves this girl over here, which is actually powerful. I just made her not kill this ugly girl. She's actually not that ugly, but whatever. Anyway, you can do random stuff like that and stuff. Yeah. Anyway. Look at this super cute character. Goodbye.